In the month of February, you suffer for 1 month more. February will be. Whether urgency or not, is mentioning, we assure you, we'll take it up itself. The reason being, let us explain. You would get only 1 day of sitting of this bench before the. Okay. So there is no chance. We can take it up. Yes, we know any time we will decide on February. Correct? Let me see called. You will see. Next, call the list. I get 1 and 2 now. Submission filed by CBI as well as not the state investigating agency. You are filing an exception to the report. He's submitting prisoners petition. Because of the decision, there are another 31 cases. 214 cases that are suddenly popped up from the and I am about to be produced in that. But sitting and watching the annex one document, but far from this crystal clear that the Honorable Supreme Court were deciding that the IA applications, which the CBI is trying to rely on, that except the cases where the charge sheet has been submitted, all other cases have been transferred to the CBI. But now the state investigating agency, without having the authority to investigate the offences, but they are producing in different courts. If the CBI does not investigate, state will investigate. And accused has got nothing to say about it. One paragraph. We want the CBI to clarify whether they have taken over the case or not. If they have not taken over the case, it's a violation of the Supreme Court order. Let parties approach the Supreme Court for necessary reviews. But cases must be investigated. Simple. But what are the cases? Correct. That's the endeavor which is being done. So you are raising the issue why state is taking steps in these cases. State is entitled to take steps in these cases. State finally put that there are 389 cases, out of which 86 cases have been taken over by the CBI. Number CBI 76. Number CBI says that they are unable to say what cases they have been, other cases they have taken. There is a. Can you see the report of the state of the last visit? We get confused with these reports. That is why we have set out a chart in our last order, and we will follow that chart. That's
File fresh report in regard to 23 cases, but you can see.
He didn't say anything about 20 cases, though arrested, he is yet to appeal.
Whether he has been produced, whether it's a present report in regard to specifically. in respect of those 23 cases.
What is that? He has been produced.
Introduced. There is one case of Vishnu or police station. A production permit has been issued in that case, but it has been traced out. That case has nothing to do with presentation, and it's an electricity case.
So forget it.
Yes,
That is 420.
yes.
Huh? Issue 28 of 2014.
Right.
Hmm?
Yes.
So item 6. All the other cases related to Sarada group of companies.
Yes. Yes.
And he has been produced and remanded to custody. He has not been enlarged on bail.
Now, so far as the present my lord, exception that has been taken up by my learned friend, we have just been served a copy. My lord, I have.
You give your responses to the exception, and this copy is to be supplied to Mr. Rahman. What we will say is, in whatever in the cases where you have been produced as per this report, you would be at liberty to seek bail, prefer bail. All right. Okay, all of you have been remanded since 2014, almost 10 years you were in custody. So you would be at liberty to seek bail. Production warrant need not be executed in respect of Vishnu case because it is submitted on behalf of the state that the case does not relate to Sarda group of companies. Correct?
Yes. The Lordship's order, state says that the CBI has taken over 81 cases. The CBI says they have taken 76 cases.
So what can we do? Tell us what do you want?
I want that something also kind of sanction. If there be specific report filed by them, how many cases that they have CBI has taken.
That's already there.
There is a document here, not see that CBI says 76, state says 81.
It's come to our order. Total number of cases registered against question 389. Number of cases not taken up by CBI 282. Number of cases not taken up by CBI where Shurik Hussain is yet to obtain bail is 23. Number of cases not taken up by CBI where that is 305.
Now next and there are
In other states is 70.
now next time.
Number of cases taken over by CBI is 81. Number of cases
From what I'm saying, CBI says that 76 cases.
to 76. That they will clarify that. This has got nothing to do with this. Your main grievance is you are not being produced to court. And as a result, you are not able to apply for bail, right? So what we clarify is 23 cases in the state of West Bengal, 22, all of 22 you have been produced, and you would be at the liberty take necessary, you will pay for bail if so advised. Secondly, there are production warrants pending in execution in connection with cases registered against jurisdiction in other states. You are at liberty to take necessary steps in those cases.
Well, take it steps.
You take your steps, and in the CBI cases you are on bail, so there is no difficulty.
Suddenly that particular cases are occurred after almost 11, 12 years. Few days back, we have similar intimation to the learned advocate where we have annexed all the documents. That cases have been locked up and I'll be produced on 11.
So be produced on 11 and take your necessary steps.
Not sure. Not sure how to clarify.
Actual, that is for the investigating agency to see. All right. State of West Bengal has submitted report
in respect of 23 cases, where 23 cases investigated by the state agency, where the applicant, where the prisoner is yet to obtain bail. From the report, it appears the prisoner has been produced in 22 cases. Ms. Sinha contends the the Vishnupur PS case number 28/5/2014, 28/5/14 does not relate to Sharada Group of companies. Accordingly, we direct prisoner need not be produced in the said case. In said case, as the prisoner has already been produced before the jurisdictional magistrate in the other 22 cases, he is at liberty to take necessary steps in accordance with law. He is also at liberty to take steps in accordance with law in respect of production warrants issued pending against him in respect of 17 outstation cases. Mr. Ahmed contends petitioner prisoner has been intimated that he shall be produced in some cases at Balurghat. It is open to the investigating agency to produce the prisoner physically or through virtual mode in those cases. Upon production, prisoner shall be at liberty to take necessary steps in the matter. Mr. Ahmed also indicates that the number of cases taken over by CBI, taken over as per by CBI, bracketed as per its report, is 77, whereas the said number as per the report of state is 81. The agencies shall reconcile this issue and clarify the matter on the adjourned date. Matter will appear 4 weeks hence.
76, not 77.
76. Affidavit of the prisoner is placed on record. Response, if any, filed by the attorney.
By an order passed by Honorable Justice I the petition petition all the county matters tried by the ACGM, ACMM 2, now under Additional Magistrate Kolkata. That has also not.
We will see what the fate of the CBI case we have to see. What is the fate of CBI case? Next day, please in your responses indicate the fate of your case.
Next, a copy of the report submitted by the state minister.
Yes, next matter. Action 4 weeks. Next one. Monthly list. Matter will appear in monthly list. February. On the appellant seeks adjournment, monthly list. February. Next matter. MPS.
can number 4028, the entry model is extended with 31st of January. It's a balance for the can be because entry model is expired on 31st January.
You won't get an opportunity before 31st of January. So can 4 of
Can 4028 of 2020 and you can 8 of 27.
interim order is where?
Entry model is in 4028 27.
Take a new interim order till
4028 27.
4028 interim order extended to 28th of February 2025 or until further order.
Since I have 5 can application losses. Can place can 60 losses. It is regarding the auction notice that has been published by the London Government Company losses. May I? Can it is for auction notice. It is for the auction notice losses. Auction is it be held on 16th of next week also. May I place the query report that are obtained from the register of assurance in the 30th of December. May I place this to that for assurance. Can 60 lordship pay
All these things must come on evidence.
lordship? I have obtained it afterwards lordship because
Also, if you have obtained it afterwards, you file a supplementary.
lordship auction is on the next
We want the auction to be there. Auction is held.
lordship the valuation is
Doesn't matter to us.
in respect of the state valuation.
Where we have yes, where is the state dollar?
Also, let it be subject to lordship.
No way. No way. Subject to nothing.
Lordship, the government valuation is
Yes, we are confident of the valuation made by the one-man committee. No interview. We are refusing the interview. We are one-man. The concept for one-man committee projects. The auction notice was. When was the auction notice issued?
30th December 2020.
And on 30th December 2024. Auction of the properties are proposed to be conducted held on
16th of January.
It's proposed to be held on 16th of January 2025. The reserve price
February 6th February
6th February
2025.
2025. Reserve price was. Please don't go on saying the same thing. You've heard you. We have heard you. We'll explain why it does not weigh with us. Yes, consider. Now reasons are. Oh my God, we followed you that the note you are dangling on our nose shows a higher price, right? We are not impressed. Now we'll give the reasons why we are not impressed. Yes, the reserve price for the auction was fixed in consultation with SEBI. SEBI has vetted the in consultation with SEBI and the state government. Presently, one of the who are you? Presently, the company has come up with a document showing the price, showing the valuation at a higher price. It is open to the company to bring a bidder to match the higher price cited in the report. This does not. This report in the document produced before us. In the document produced before us, we are not inclined to stall the auction on this score. Application is on this score. Application is at can 16. Full stop. This is can 60. This has got nothing to do with the auction.
Yes, but they want to
No prayer for auction.
Prayer is there also.
Show us. 2 hours. That is there. Look, C. Mr.
Lordship C, E, and E, Lordship.
Yes, where is C?
Page 50, Lordship. And Lordship 49 is there.
Accordingly, we are not inclined to pass an interim or ad interim order of injunction in terms of prayers C, D, and E of the application. Let the application be listed along with other matters. And it with the prayer. Can be this is the same prayer?
Page 49.
B, B2, E, C, E, and we are not inclined to pass an order of ad interim injunction of the application. Let the application be listed along with other NPS matters. Next.
There are other applications I am not facing it because of the banking model.
B, C, D, and E, right? B to E.
Repeated application by this gentleman also about a street action.
Okay. Next. 8 to 16.
Oh, sorry. 8 to 16. Election there was certain hurdles that I was facing while inventorizing the properties, the known vegetation around these premises. Now, the state government has already cleared that vegetation. Now, we have already further written to them. There are certain structural documents that we require. We have written to them, either from the state government or the company. The company has already said that we don't have any. Now, the captain still, the advocate has written to us. We have already informed, but we are yet to receive any documents from their side. Now, these documents we require either from any of the parties for carrying on the activity further. So that is where the thing is stalled.
What sort of documents?
These are copies of deeds of all the land of the film city property acquired by prior group, all sanctioned building plans, sanctioned plan layouts with area statements of buildings and structures.
State of West Bengal. Mr. Mitro for the state. So Mitro, please. Issues of the SEBI.
Each one of the outside inspection interpretation fixed and communicated copies as soon as the above documents are received from prior. So prior to further
Let us say Proact Group does not give it, Proact Group says they don't have. Now, if they are registered instruments, it would be available in the registration office. Would you help the SEBI to identify the documents in respect of registered instruments or transferred in this area?
I can do that. Only problem is this one of the register the documents you're not talking about. Show the immovable property. But so far most property is concerned that these documents
First let us identify immovable properties.
yes.
And now movable properties, Mr. Basu says he does not have any.
no access. I have no access there. There, what is there? What I left when I was
So
removed.
what we will propose is what as is very species create inventory. As is very species.
One thing I cannot appreciate a lot, why it is delayed. Why it is not been sold out to liquidate? This is the purpose.
Let us do like this. As is very species, you make the inventory of the movables.
With respect to the movables.
With regard to the immovables,
Instead of document
the
is there.
state will assist SEBI in identifying deeds, necessary deeds. All right? Yes. And let the inventory be done as
The only problem is our materials have been stolen.
as
Because we have no access.
quickly as possible. As quickly as possible. What movable property you will?
Cars,
Cars.
cars are there.
When did you purchase the car? When did you stop your business? 2012,
Yes.
14, 10 years depreciation. What value?
Right, but why is depreciation?
The High Court will buy your car. Your cars. What will, Mr. Basu, you know, valuables until and unless gold jewelry.
Right.
No valuable and maybe liquor. They will grow, its price will grow with age. Otherwise, everything depreciates. It doesn't suit, but suits others. Suits others, right? So let us do like this. Valuables as is very spaces and the immovable inventory with the assistance of yes.
That should be my leaving apart to movables. There are certain things that you have asked for that should be given. As per our letter dated 67.
Whatever we had, all handed over.
Please, whatever is the movable, please make an inventory and basis.
Apart from the movables, regarding the immovable, all these structural documents and the
What's there?
What structural documents?
good structural.
Because we have constructed structures.
That is a movable. That's an immovable.
The documents they have
Structures on land are movable.
You want to
value to see the documents. Documents are actually some.
What document I can serve, but these all are there.
First you give an assessment by an valuer. As per your valuer, what is the assessment as on date? Okay,
Fast, still out. Otherwise,
we understand, but seller we are seeing. The earlier matter, some document is brought out from registry office saying that it is a higher value. When government itself assisted in preparation of the base price, we are saying let them make a basic valuation, give the inventory, and then we will post it for sale.
say, remind me also, I have a suggestion on that. Can we put it on sale as they sort of the like Dream City? Then they are maybe purchasing. Because structures is struggle. No, that is something. That is but
I have here before the launch,
That-
ask for the balance 11.6 because the state has said they will put in the money. More than the money, they can ask for nothing.
Cannot, for that we have to set aside the transfer in favor of the client. So that we will take later on. Heard Mr. Banerjee for city.
Because may I file the application? I have made the purchase.
One by one. Affidavits, in which matters are required.
The interveners, the added party, WPA 10.
WPA 101/2024. Affidavit
In opposition.
opposition by
Very alloy valid part. Based on the rate. So the I matter based on the rate.
by respondent number 8 as well as added respondent Berry Alloys. Copies be circulated amongst the appearing parties if not already done. Alright. Now your prayer is not in 101, right? Your prayer is in 11835 or 24. Correct. Because 11835 প্রথম যেটা ওটাই order করো। Mr. Banerjee for submits necessary Instructions are awaited from prior for companies with regard to the structures on the land, with regard to the valuation of the structure, with regard to the structures of the land, document list of registered instruments in respect of land purchased by the companies have also not been supplied. We direct the state, Mr. Basu, for the company contends that his client who does not have the necessary, his client is unable to go, is not permitted to go inside the property and does not have the necessary documents.
Whatever was there, I
But he has already furnished documents which were in his possession. Mr. Mitro submits the state to be in a position to provide the registered deeds with regard to the properties, if properties purchased by the PROAD group in the area, in the land in question.
they will take inspection or what?
We can give inspection where we direct the state authorities to give inspection / copies of the registered deeds to SEBI. Full stop. SEBI shall make an inventory of the movable assets, including structures, and on a as is varies basis, and make a valuation of the structures as on date. Report be filed on the adjourned date. Right? These matters.
So only for request for trying to make this direction of the parents. Because otherwise, that I am the purchaser. But my rights are being exacted.
We first get the inventory done.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So far as the products are concerned,
That's right.
Mr. Basu's concern is well taken. We will direct disposal. And
That you lost it.
let us clarify. We will factor in your interest also. With regard to the auction of the movable asset, first you need to dispose of your the repetition against the transfer of the portion of the land in favor of your client.
But your lordships have inducted by the 11.2.
Correct.
Now, whether today
We have permitted you to carry on your activity in the we are not
you don't abide by the result of it. It abides by the result.
to abide by the result. So you do whatever you want.
No, 11.28 acres.
Correct.
Nevertheless, so far,
Because 11.28 acres is the amount of land which, as per the state submission, was a part of the properties owned by the PROAD group of companies.
it was the one man to now, what the state has submitted to the council is ultimately they are interested in realizing the value of the land so that it may be distributed.
So what we will do is, we will put up this market for us. And if you can buy the 11.8 acres at a market price, we have. I don't think Mr. Basu's client has any opposition.
The government is saying that we shall put in the market value as per the circle of the entire of the
We will
11.28
look into that. We will look into that. What we will do, Mr. Shah, let us see. We will put up this at the circle date for auction. If someone gives a better price, you match it at it. That's our point.
Well, if that is the court's direction, that direction can be passed down, but why should we wait? Because
This is not the court's direction, this is a court's observation. Let the observation settle down on the senior counsels and they be in a better position to advise the court so that the court does not embarrass it. Alright? We keep these matters, give us a day. Mr. Shah is in a hurry.
Should I kindly hear me? There is a second part of the order. Asked on the last occasion pertaining to Cat 8 of 2023, where Lordship had directed the Register of Assurances to find a report pertaining to the value of property of prayer schools in Jakarta PS under Kanpur Keutia Gram Panchayat, where the valuation.
The special councils of state of West Bengal is there. Ordinary council of state of West Bengal not there. Yes, see, ordinary council is hiding. Get that report. What?
We have served long back affidavit of service.
We know, but then where is the report? Right?
We have served
Mr. Tulsi Rai, where is the
we have put in
report the parental will be filed on the next day.
Harness money is lying with the government committee since March
We will immediately
This is a second property in North Chhattisgarh program will be sold at price fixed.
Only one submission on the WPIs. We have filed everything with respect to WP 105 where this parts of what I asked from my lord that can be so not a short link.
You agree and give a tell us whether not in January.
Let the valuation be done.
That valuation can take impediment.
Valuation maintain.
That is equally movable.
Next time, pilot can take it at any time.
Let us do like this.
Only one submission. So, fix a date when the pattern will be heard. Because we are all speaking about the book. Really, we are not going to the crux of that. You will also be kindly fix a date. And if we convenient for
Any day by the subject to constitution.
13th of February. By 13th of February, I think we can make an
yes, by that time, this will become
13th of February. 13th of February, let us make it clear.
But if your lordship's observation is converted into
First,
direction,
yes, that is the thing. So far as the 11 acres of land is concerned, we propose subject to hearing all of you. Put it up for auction with the base circle track. And let the auction be held and the highest bidder be awarded the prize.
Only one addition. This should be auctioned as a flip chip. Otherwise, there is no
Cannot do it. We know there is a land, let the land be auctioned.
then the valuation of the developments which was made is still there.
The movements will be sold.
No, but if lordship auction it as a flip city, there may be buyers on higher price. We are here to collect them.
We will first see what is the nature of
Yes,
what
see
was
that
there and then take your call on fix.
Everybody we are thinking getting better price. There is no dispute about that. So if it is sold as a flip city,
No.
the better price is available.
There was
Yes, it is there.
everything was there. Now let us see what is there now.
Yes, that is
Everything
that.
was there.
After this,
The rosy dreams were there.
now
But today,
yes.
neither dreams nor rose.
So it is
Right.
what
So
delay.
let us see what thorns are there. Today, we see the thorns, we value the thorns and then see
Another
who
point.
gets the better tree.
Another
All right.
The peremptory order will be
13.
Sir, there was a direction on SEBI to file a short affidavit.
not required. I'm satisfied.
Your matter will come up first, we do it, and then because this will take some more time, this will come 13 at the
we have a representation challenging the sale.
sales, etc. We will do later. Let us do the option of 11.8.
Yes, that's why I
Understand?
another point may I can. Now ED is trying to grab our property. Let us see already. Sim city has been sold up. It is not within your domain of the one-man committee. Vis-a-vis the 3 years. This is the attempt by the ED has been made. Ask for the disclosure of the property which was not there, so that they can attest. That one-man committee has not come to the order.
There was a delegation we made,
All property should be in the book. the finality will be drawn upon 14th of January. Nothing has been decided. It's only a discussion. That I'm saying discussion is came to take those properties. That is giving to the lordship.
Mr. Basu has statutory powers to provisionally attach, finally attach property.
Under the statute, they are not acting. They are acting in the garb of the order passed by your lordships.
Correct. He will have the council here, where he was there in one matter.
Where did you take court? I am not taking away their property. Cannot.
He sort of decisions based on once an order from us, take out an application, that again is your.
Water committee has not acceded to their place.
Mr. Basu, is the document before the court? File an application. File an application based on record materials. Then we can give a notice to ED and get their response on it. Right?
I will keep my matter on another day, not with this.
Alright, then your matter will come on.
Can eight.
After 13th.
Yes. We'll take it up on 20th.
February.
Alright? 30th. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, your turn.